Tonight we will be serving fantastic seafood paella made with the Spanish rice, vegetables, chicken, seafood and saffron. An authentic paella should also have a crispy caramelized layer of rice in the bottom of the pan called the socarrat. Let us begin by caramelizing some onions in olive oil and then adding yellow peppers and 2 or 3 teaspoons of paprika. Even though saffron is very expensive, it is the key spice in this dish, so we want a generous amount, 2 or 3 pinches is fine. This will be followed by fresh Roma tomatoes, a heaped tablespoon of minced garlic and raw bite-sized chicken pieces. Stir and let the chicken brown for a few minutes before we add the rice. Now we add the all-important Spanish rice. When it is added, stir briefly to make sure the rice covers the pan, and then we want it to settle down. And once we add the chicken stock, make sure the chicken is covered, as we will not stir this again until the dish is ready. We do not want to disturb the bottom of the pan, so that we can get that nice crisp caramelized layer of rice. After boiling for about 20 minutes, we can now add the seafood very carefully. If you plan to use raw seafood, make sure it is fully covered so that it is fully cooked through. Many grocery stores have pre-cooked combo packs of calamari, mussels, clams and shrimp, specifically for paella, and now you can also add the frozen piece. To finish, add some parsley and slices of lemon. Fantastico, amazing!